there are certain things out there that you can buy that are dupes, but they just don't do justice for the real thing. For example, spaghetti sauce. You can go out and you can buy a cheap can of spaghetti sauce, but it will never taste like homemade spaghetti sauce. Hey guys, welcome back to Palette Therapy. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Keela. Hey, if not, thank you for the support. In today's video, I will be sharing with you guys my skin routine, my go-to skincare products. I made sure for this video that I didn't put on any makeup because I wanted you guys to be... I wanted this video to be very transparent. So if you're interested in this flawless skin, please continue to watch. But first, I need you to go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I post videos every Thursday and Sunday, and you don't want to miss them. Now let's get into this video. Okay, y'all, so I know I post a lot of beauty content, mainly makeup videos, so you guys don't hardly ever get to see my skincare routine and how I take care of my skin outside of the makeup videos. So I make sure for this video in particular, I do not have any makeup on. I want you guys to see that this is not, you know, this is my natural skin. I just got my lashes on and I got my eyebrows tinted. So this is me, all me. No, you know, no makeup, no any of that. Of course, y'all can see these dark spots underneath my eyes, but we're not going to get into that. This video is specifically about skin care. I cannot express to you how important taking care of your skin is. Your skin, healthy skin, is the best foundation. Like, you can go out and you can buy the most expensive full coverage foundation out there, but healthy skin is your number one. It's like your solid foundation. It's like building a house on solid ground versus building it on a hill or, you know, down in a low area. Healthy skin is very, very important. So with that being said, make sure you're taking care of your skin. Make sure you're taking care of your body. Make sure you're putting healthy foods in it, drinking plenty of water, staying away from sugars, staying away from junk food. A lot of those things can cause outbreaks and can cause acne. So just something to keep in mind outside of these products that I'm actually about to tell you guys about. If you guys are interested or want a video about like some of the things that I eat and some of the things that I do as far as how I take care of my body and my skin, let me know. I don't mind doing a video like that. But for the purpose of this video, we are just talking about products that I use on my face. Okay, so some of these products I have shown before. I did a skincare video, I want to say last year, and so my skincare has kind of changed since then, but I do still use some of the same products. So some of these products will be affordable, and then some of them will be a little on the high end or the pricey end as well. But I wanted to be transparent and show you guys what I actually use. So one of the first things I like to use is the Physicians Formula Skin Booster Vitamin Shot, and this is the hydrating one. So I have dry to combination skin, so my dry to normal combination skin. So my skin is mainly dry, but so I use a lot of hydrating products, but I do still get oily in some areas. And so those areas that I get oily in, I make sure I buy the right makeup products to fit that. But for the most part, I have to use hydrating products on my skin and my day-to-day life. So Physicians Formula actually has different types of skin boosters. But for me, like I said, I have a dry skin, so I use the hydrating booster, and it gives you like this cool sensation in your face, and so you can just feel, you know, your skin absorbing it. So that is one of the first products I wanted to tell you guys about. And then I use the Biore baking soda, free your pores, great for combination skin. This is something that I clean my face with. So after a long day, you know, we've been out and we've been around germs and we're sweating, and depending on the weather, you don't really know how what all affects your skin. So this is something that I like to use at the end of the day to just wash away the day. And this is what it looks like here. I also use it as a makeup remover as well, but it removes dirt and oil from pores, and it is also a refresher, so it gently balances without over drying. So this is one of the products I like to use as well. And if you're a person that has problems with your pores, like oily skin, this is a great brand to try some of their products out. They have things for blackheads, acne, I mean anything that has something to do with your pores, this is great to use here. So as far as toner, I like to use the Thayer's facial toner, the witch hazel. And I use it in the lavender scent, and that is for like my hyperpigmentation, the different little scars and little areas I have in my face. I use that for that. And then as far as like everyday stuff, so this is currently my absolute favorite moisturizer, and that is the Tula Skincare 24/7 hydrating day and night cream. Now I only use this during the daytime, I don't use it at night. This cream for this jar is approximately 50 bucks. I bought it on sale at Ulta and I saved up my points and got it even cheaper. But this, so the size of this jar is 50 bucks. Now it is quite a bit in it, and it does go a long way. So you can, so it's not one of those products that you're gonna be out of in like a month. Like this literally lasts me like 6 months. So to me, I don't feel like it's bad paying 50 bucks for it if I divide it up through those 6 months. I mean, I feel like I got my bang for my buck. Just my preference. But this lasts all day. Like my face is hydrated all day. I don't have to worry about dry patches, like when the weather changes from hot to cold, and then you have that little period of spring or fall, and then it switches from, you know, back to cold, from cold to hot. My skin tends to dry really bad, and I'll get dry patches, and so this helps to keep those at bay. They also have a cleanser, the Cult Classic. Now the cleanser is cheaper than the cream itself, but this is a face cleanser, and you pair these two together and your skin is just, I mean, you just feel like a new person. Now for those times or those moments where I can't afford Tula, or I don't want to pay 55 bucks for some face cream, I have some backup products. So I have the e.l.f. Holy Hydration Nourishing Night Cream. I also have the day cream as well, but this is what it looks like. So it looks, it's like a dupe for Tula. It's not as, so the consistency of it is more gel based, so it's kind of watery. It's not as moisturizing to me as the Tula one is, but it still gets the job done. And I have, like I said, I have the day cream as well. So when I do use this, I use the day cream and then I use the night cream. I use those together because I don't feel like they, the moisture holds as good as the Tula one. And then I also have the Olay Complete Normal. Now you guys have seen this one on the channel because I use it in some of my videos. And they have a night Olay as well, and I combine these two. Now this right here is very, very, very moisturizing. A little goes a long way. So this is not one that you need to, you know, put a lot of layers on like you would with lotion or something. This is very, very, very thick. Like the consistency of this is thick, and you can tell I've been using it. You guys can't tell that because the cream is white. But it doesn't. Now with these, they have a fragrance, a little small fragrance. It's almost like White Diamonds perfume, if you've ever smelled that before. So, but it's not as strong, it's subtle. So if you don't like moisturizers with fragrances, you might want to stay away from that. The other ones don't have a fragrance. And lastly, now this is a little bitty jar. This is a travel size. But I got this in a birthday gift from Sephora. And this is Laneige Water Sleeping Mask. And I use this little travel size every night, y'all. Like I do. And I'm getting low on it too, as you guys can see. It almost looks like a little chapstick. But this is a sleeping mask. So you apply this to a fresh face, like so when you get out of the shower, or when you get out of the bath and you've washed your face and you know your pores and stuff are all open. This is a sleeping mask. You apply this to your face then, and you leave it on, and then you wipe it off the next day. So in the morning time when you wake up and you wipe your face, you're just wiping it off. I mean, it's already a part of your routine. But this is very hydrating. It keeps your face hydrated throughout the night. But it's not greasy, or it doesn't make you feel oily. And it's not going to leave stains on your pillows or on your comforter. It doesn't stain anything either. But this little thing is like my go-to, especially after I've exfoliated. And you know, I practice on my self-care Sundays. I like to exfoliate my whole body, so I exfoliate my face and everything. And after I exfoliate, I love to use this cream, because once you wash away those dead cells, that dead skin, you need to be able to rejuvenate. And so that is what this little jar does for me. So I absolutely love this. I am going to go out and purchase this in a bigger size, because my little jar is, like I said, this is a travel size. And this is another one of those products that's like Tula. It's going to be expensive, but it's worth it. Some products you just can't get away from. Like, there are certain things out there that you can buy that are dupes, but they just don't do justice for the real thing. For example, spaghetti sauce. You can go out and you can buy a cheap can of spaghetti sauce, but it will never taste like homemade spaghetti sauce, or it will never taste like your favorite spaghetti sauce. So there are some things out there that just, you know, they just don't cover, or they don't, you know, they can't take the place of the real deal. And that is one of those things, like, you just can't take the place of the real deal. Those are the main products that I use. I do have a few other, but I don't use those on a regular basis. So I wanted to bring you guys a really transparent video of like my favorite products that I use in my everyday life. Whether it is summer, fall, winter, spring, I still use these same products. Just sometimes I maybe rearrange how I use them or how often I use them. Like during the winter time, I use them more. During the summertime, I use them less. But for the most part, I use these same products all the time. So I wanted you guys to know the secret to my healthy skin. You know, I wanted you guys to know like why my skin is the way it is, and the products that I use on it as well. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and share it as well. Why? Because sharing is caring, and we're trying to grow our family over here. Go ahead and comment down below and let me know if you guys have tried any of these products. Have y'all heard of any of these products? Also, let me know if there are some products out there that you guys prefer to use that I don't know anything about, because I am always open to trying new things and to experiencing new things. And just like I put y'all on, I want y'all to put me on as well, because I don't know everything and I'm learning and I'm trying stuff, you know. And so I know certain things work for me and certain things work for other people, and what works for you might work for me also. So yeah, comment down below your favorite skin products that you use. You know, do you have a daily and nightly skin routine that you practice as well? You know, comment down below and let me know. Thank you guys for watching my video. I really do appreciate it. If you hadn't subscribed to the channel by now, what are you waiting for? During that pause, I hope you subscribe to the channel, and I hope you turn on your post notification bell as well, because I post videos every Thursday and Sunday, and you don't want to miss them. As always, thank you guys for the support, and I will catch you in my next one. Peace.